discuss the New Bilibid Prison. Before New Bilibid Prison, it was named Old Bilibid Prison. Old Bilibid Prison were first established in the Philippines on June 25, 1985 during Spanish colonial period, when Spanish penal laws were applied to the country through royal decrees, ordinances, rules, and regulation. So let's discuss what is the purpose of prison. The purpose of prison is to punish criminals by depriving their liberty and also to protect people from the harm or violence that they may cause or commit. There are four major purposes of prison, and these are retribution, incapacitation, deterrence, and rehabilitation. Retribution means punishment for crime society. Depriving criminals of their freedom is a way of making them pay a debt to society for their crimes. In other words, criminals have no longer freedom inside the prison. There are strictly rules that they have to follow. Criminals have also privileges such as seeing visitors, buying items from the commissary, earning wages, and etc. However, violation of prison rules may withdraw those privileges by prison officers. In addition, prisoners sleep inside the hot and crowded cells as their punishment. They receive food once a day from officer due to lack of funds or money. According to Bureau of Correction, a budget of food for every prisoner is 70 pesos per day. Prisoners rely the other food brought by their relatives. So second, incapacitation. It refers to removal of criminals from society so that they can no longer harm innocent people. Deterrence means the prevention of future crimes. It is hoped that prisoners provide warning to the people thinking about committing crimes and that the possibility of going to prison will discourage people from breaking the law. Rehabilitation refers to activities designed to change criminals into law-abiding citizens and may include providing educational courses in prison, teaching job skills, and offering counseling with a psychologist or social worker. So let's talk about the activities inside the prison. So first, gardening. Gardening is one of the activities inside the prison. Criminals plant seed and they take care of it every day. So as time passes by, it will have a result or a fruit. They will harvest it and serve them as a food. The other activities inside the prison is elementary education. They teach them how to read and write because some of the criminals never go to school and they don't know how to read and write. There is also high school education, adult literacy programs, playing basketballs, and playing board games. So let's go to rehabilitation of criminals. There are individual and group counseling, moral, spiritual, and values formation, work or job placement, vocational and skill trainings, health, mental and medical services, literacy and education, community service, client self-help organization. So that's all about my presentation. Again, thank you for your listening.